In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a black screen with a cursor on your Windows computer. This can be quite frustrating, but I'll guide you step by step through some straightforward solutions that should help you get your screen back in no time. First, we're going to try refreshing your graphics driver. What you need to do is press the Windows key, Control, Shift, and B, all at the same time. If you do it correctly, you'll hear a short beep and see your screen flicker. This will indicate that your display driver has been reset, which can often resolve the issue of the black screen with a cursor. Once you've done that, it's important to verify that your system is responsive. To do this, press Control, Alt, and Delete. This should bring up the Security Options menu. You can select Task Manager from here. If Task Manager appears, it means your system is working, and we can move on to the next step. Now, let's adjust your display settings. Press the Windows key plus P, then press P again, followed by Enter. This lets you cycle through different display modes, which might help if your display mode switched unexpectedly and caused the issue. If the black screen issue persists, let's perform a complete shutdown of your computer. You can do this by holding down the power button on your device for about 10 to 15 seconds. This will force everything to restart, which may help clear any lingering issues. Should these initial checks not resolve your problem, it's time to consider more in-depth troubleshooting. You may need to access Safe Mode or the Windows Recovery Environment, also known as WinRE. Safe Mode is a special diagnostic mode that starts Windows with a minimal set of drivers, which can assist in isolating the cause of the issue. As a last resort, if none of these solutions work, you could restore your system to a previous working state, provided you have a restore point set up. Alternatively, you can reset your PC to factory settings with an option to keep your personal files. This step is more drastic and should be considered only if nothing else has worked. I hope these steps help bring your Windows screen back to normal. Remember, dealing with a black screen can be disconcerting, but with a little patience, you can often resolve it quickly. If you're still having trouble or feel unsure about any of these steps, it might be worth consulting a professional for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and best of luck troubleshooting.